Hi and what's up? In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you a very simple kid-friendly recipe that you're absolutely going to love. So I'm going to be showing you how to make egg muffins, and it's quite a very simple process and the outcome is very delicious. So without further ado, I'm going to be using eggs. I have red pepper, 1 onion, some spinach, and black pepper and salt. That is all. So if you're new here, I'm Scovia and welcome to my kitchen. So you're going to start off by preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. While my oven is preheating, I'm going to be cracking in my eggs in a big bowl. So I usually crack mine separately in a small bowl just to make sure that the eggs are fresh. So I'm going to be using 10 eggs for this recipe from my chicken. I have lots of chicken, so today I'm going to make a recipe out of the eggs. They are fresh, but I don't like assuming. I just like breaking my eggs in a bowl and then just to make sure everything is okay. Now, the next step, you're going to be needing a muffin tin like this one, or if you have the smaller one, it's very okay. I happen to have the big one, so I'm going to be using that. So I'm going to add in some salt. You add a generous amount so that the eggs will be well seasoned. Some black pepper. Using a fork, I'm going to whisk in my seasoning until well combined. You can see my eggs have a very nice yellow color. So they're going to be amazing. Next, I'm going to be adding in my vegetables. So I'll add the red pepper, onions, and my spinach, my baby spinach. And then I'm going to whisk in. When everything is well combined, this looks amazing. So I'm going to spray my muffin tins with baking spray or cooking spray. If you don't have the cooking spray, you can just improvise on the regular cooking oil. Just take a brush and make sure the sides and the bottom of the muffin tins are well oiled. Then using a cookie scoop, I just want to be a little bit neat. I'm going to scoop out the eggs into the muffin, my egg mixture into the muffin tins. You can also use a jug. A jug would be perfect to add the eggs into the muffin tins. So I'm going to bake my egg muffins for 20 minutes or until you notice that the eggs are well cooked. So 20 minutes. My egg muffins are ready and they've been cooling for about 5 minutes and they are looking amazing. And I love how you can notice all the vegetables and the good bright yellow color from the eggs. Looking at my muffins, I'm just so delighted because my kids are going to be so happy because first of all, this is finger food. They're going to walk around while eating or feeding on the egg muffins. Yeah. And another thing, this will complete our breakfast for this morning. So I hope you try out this recipe at home and make for yourself egg muffins. Catch you on my next one.